Right, our next item is public questions, and I believe we have one public question from Janet Cashman on behalf of the Wirral Unite Community branch. So, Janet's with us. Yeah, welcome, Janet. There's, I think we're on this side for the public speaker microphone, if you could come over there. I'll turn this microphone off, and if you press the button under...
Okay, thanks. All right. I'm asking this question on behalf of Wirral Unite Community branch. The ongoing dispute between the Council and Wirral Evolutions is causing major disruption for service users. We, as a branch, fully support the workers advocating for publicly funded and run centres. Alongside this, the disruption to the service is causing emotional and mental distress. What moves and meetings with unions and what timelines have been taken by the Council to try and get a resolution to this dispute? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that, Janet. Okay, thanks. Yeah, obviously we're very aware of the impact that the industrial action is having on vulnerable residents, their carers and families, which is totally unacceptable. As a council, we feel very strongly that this is detrimental to the stability of care and support, which it obviously is. And we'd strongly urge the unions to work with the council to come to a resolution and find a solution to it. Choosing to strike and disrupt services for the people that we all care for is not the solution to this situation. The council's been consistently and proactively trying to resolve the dispute, and there have been many meetings with the unions. The council remains open to the unions to come forward with a proposal, and to date this simply hasn't happened. But as I say, the council is open to further discussions, which I believe will be ongoing. So, thank you. Do you have a supplementary question to follow up, Janet?
Yes. What mitigation or contingency measures are in place to reduce the impact on service users and carers? And when is the next meeting proposed between the council and unions? Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Janice. I believe meetings are taking place very frequently. I don't know the exact timescale for it, and I might need to come back to you with a written answer on the exact mitigation.
Yeah. Thank you, Chair. Through you, happy to confirm that, as the Chair said, we are deeply concerned about the impact it's having on the stability of care and support for our residents. What we're having to do is to put in place additional care arrangements for those people who need that support. And of course, we also recognise that parents and carers and loved ones are having to do more to mitigate for the ongoing strike action. As far as meetings are concerned, as the Chair has said, we are having regular meetings with the unions, particularly with Unison. And as of this week, I know my colleague Mark Dale, who's responsible for HR for this organisation, has been in daily contact with David Jones from Unison. So we're very proactive, and we are very clear that we would welcome a proposal from Unite or Unison, and we continue to cooperate and support that. So effectively, we're open at any given time for a meeting or for a further discussion to try and find a resolution to this ongoing issue.
Okay, yeah, thanks, Janet. Did that answer the points for you?
We would have liked more information on the actual mitigation or the contingency measures that are in place, because at the moment it's having a really, as everyone is aware, a really detrimental effect on the service users and their families, and causing a lot of mental health issues as well. The emergency support that's in place isn't really suitable for a lot of the service users, because they need to, you can't just move somebody into an emergency situation. Obviously that's unacceptable, so we would have liked more information about that. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, thanks, Janet. I'll see if we can we can get more details on that for you, just to give some reassurance. But I can speak myself as a trade union member of Unite, in fact, that it's disappointing that a union has sort of undertaken strike action when negotiations are ongoing. That, for me, would be a very last resort of action. But only one side has gone on strike, so I would hope that we can get progress made with negotiations on it. That would be obviously a better outcome to get this resolved quickly, so that no further distress and suffering is caused. So, thank you.